Hello, my dear subscribers and viewers. Welcome to my channel, Ram's Happy Whispers. Today I'm going to talk about magnificent Indian temple architecture. Yes, it's going to be marvelous. When I think of Indian temple architecture, I get to see raised platforms, royal entrances, big walkways, lofty walls, different pillars like anti gravity pillars, stunningly sculptured pillars, and intriguing evidence, intricate designs, whatnot. If at all I count, there comes n number of things like soapstones. I could see architecture, I could see poetry in every stone. I could see those miniature carvings depicting Puranas and detailed carvings, and then the marvelous wall. I feel that that's a wall poetry. Wall is saying some poetry. If you have the ears to hear the poetry, you can of course hear that one. It's so marvelous, whatnot. Appreciate. If I have to appreciate the beauty of the Indian architecture, I could not stop appreciating the skillful artisans of the ancient period. And this is all Indian heritage. Of course, these all temple architectures, these all temples like Chennakeshava temple, Halebeed Hoysaleshwara temple, Madura Meenakshi temple in the down south, and then towards north, Konark temple of Odisha, and Modera Sun temple, the deep well, that is what Modera Sun temple, the step well, everything, whatnot. If at all you see all these things, you fall in love with the temple architecture of India, my dear guys. Just go, have a look at the beauty, have a look at the Indian architecture. Just go, have a look at it. You will definitely appreciate the skillfulness, you will definitely appreciate the beauty around, you'll definitely appreciate everything in and out. Guys, just go appreciate. And why am I talking about appreciation today? Appreciation is one of the ways to be happier. Just go tap into something, just go appreciate something or the other every single day. Understand, if you appreciate, you get to see the smile on the other's face. Eventually you get to see the smile on your face as well. And if your appreciation is intentionally very right, for example, if your appreciation is right, then you definitely smile to the heart's content. I'm telling you, yes. Just go give it a try. You'll understand. Words will not suffice to appreciate the beauty of the Indian temple architecture. Eyes. It's eye feasting. Whatnot. It's like a sumptuous meal. Are you getting me? It's like a sumptuous meal. Just you can see everything, you can appreciate every finest detail, the intriguing evidences of the pillars, the intricate designs, the marvels, the marvelous structures, remarkable structures, the magnificent beauty, and then implausible architecture, iconography, whatnot. You can appreciate everything if at all you see over there. That's all for today.